hope you guys are well. In today's video, I'm gonna sell my luxury handbags and accessories. I have new things, super beautiful. You have my website here, bamluxurystore.com. I sell authentic luxury bags and accessories. Everything is authenticated, and I do have a lot of entropy certificate. I ship worldwide. I'm French, but I live in Spain, in Barcelona. If you are around, don't hesitate to contact me also, and I ship worldwide. Let's go for the first bag that I want to show you. This is a Chanel. I got it from a client in Lyon, and let's discover what's inside. I'm just gonna open it like a side. So as you were able to see, I do have the box up. Let's open it. We have so many things inside. So I have papers, I had the ribbon, I had like a protection of the bag. I also have like the authenticity card. I also have like the little, protection also to clean the bag. I had the dust bag and I had the entropy certificate. Let's open it. This is a bag I had only once, and you asked me for the black version. I found it. Okay, look. Yay! So we do have the Gabrielle. So the beautiful Gabrielle in black leather. I love it. This is a bag that you can wear here on the shoulder. You can wear it as a crossbody bag like this, or more simpler like this. You could like wear it way longer with the only one like crossbody, but it would be super long. I'm short, so it would not fit me, definitely not. So as you can see, we have like old leather here, very flexible, very, I don't know how I would describe it in English. Sorry, my English is not the best ever. I try to improve it, so sorry guys in advance. And this part is a different leather and very, in a different part, definitely not flexible. So this is what I love about the Gabrielle. You had the zipper closing of the bag here. Condition, I would say, is very good. We can see the bag was a little bit used, but otherwise this is amazing. This is normal on Gabrielle's, this type of leather. It looks like very flex. You had the base that is in very good condition. I would say there is here a little rub, but that's it. Otherwise, amazing. I like about the Gabrielle the different shades and materials, like hardware of the chains. This is very pretty. And you have like the closing of the bag, the zipper. This is beautiful. Inside is in very good condition. I try to show you properly. Zipper pocket here, other pockets here. You have like a little attach if you want like a pouch or anything that you want. The bag is sold 2,790 euro. For this amazing babe. Also, just to let you know, I will be in Cannes in France, like south of France, French Riviera, from the Wednesday 11th of September until Saturday 14th of September included. So if you have luxury bags, accessories that you want to drop to us in order to sell them, do not hesitate to contact me through Instagram, TikTok, or even here below the video. I just wanted to tell you that we are going live on What's Not app with Je suis Lou. I'm super excited because Sunday, 15th of September, I will give you all the information here. We will be with her doing a live. So it will start with her account at 8 p.m. Paris time. I will let you know the US time, UK time, everything. And from, I believe, like we are going live on her account first at 8 p.m. And then we will go live on our account with her, I believe from 8:40, 8:45 p.m. We will do also a giveaway. It will be either a Speedy, either a Keeple. You will have to choose if you win. I wish you the best luck. Don't forget to save the next slides that we do on Whatnot. This is an amazing app. If you don't know the app, let us know. I will link down below the link to subscribe and to get 15 euro discount on your first order. This is an incredible app. We will do auction starting at 1 euro for many luxury bags. I'll see you there. Then a small SLG. SLG stands for small leather goods like wallets, for example. Very beautiful Saint Laurent long wallet zipper. Amazing. Silver hardware, beautiful leather on the outside, black one. You have some little marks on the leather due to use, but almost nothing. Corners are very little rubbed, but super little. Try to show you. The zipper works perfectly. And inside is amazing, like gorgeous, very good condition. We have very little signs of wear, but very little, and price is 280 euro. I love this one. Then we do have a Celine bag that is a saxo. Very, very cute one, bucket bag. Saxo is in French. Bucket bag for the English. Let's try the Franglish. I do have like a strap that is a little bit adjustable. You can close the bag like by pressing a bit more like this. Otherwise, condition is quite good on this one. You don't have the base in leather. The base is around the bag. Corners are a bit rubbed. But otherwise, that is a very good one. Inside is very good, but you have a smell. You have a little smell inside. Storage smell, I would say. It's not the worst, so it's good. You can like fix it, obviously. So the price is very good. We have the price of 340 euro for this babe. I have another surprise for you guys. This is a bag that is almost brand new. Like, I would say brand new. So this is a bag that was bought from my client. She dropped me this bag in Barcelona directly. She lives in France, but very close to the border. And Barcelona is very up country, so very in the north, close to the border in France. So I do have the invoice for this one. And she came directly to Barcelona to have some shopping here because we do have beautiful luxury store, I have to admit. And I have dust bag, I have an entreprise certificate in the box. I have an entreprise certificate in the box. Dust bag is here. And this is a bag that I love. I personally have it also, different color, but still. Alma BB size, rouge coquelicot, the red coquelicot. I do have it in navy blue and I'm in love with this bag. It's a bag that I own since like more than 11 years. I do love it. Epi red leather, rouge coquelicot, beautiful one as new. Like very, very good condition. I'm going to show you the inside. My client also left inside a bag organizer she bought like on the side. So she left it inside. So you do have a red bag organizer. So this is cool. I do have also my website. I do sell them little bag organizer for Alma Bebe and Alma PM. So if you want to have a look, I will give you the link in description if you want to have a look. Inside is also very good. Suede red, nice with a little pocket. This is a bag very recent. So it has the RFID shipped. You don't have any more serial number. Well, serial date code inside Louis Vuitton bags since mid-2021. So this is gorgeous. Price for this one is 1,390 euro. It's as new. Next online is this beautiful accessory pouch from Louis Vuitton, monogram canvas. You do have the little strap in leather that is in very good condition. The pouch is amazing condition also. And the inside has very little trace of wear, but it's very minimal. Like, look inside. I try to be super close. I love it. You do have the serial code here, the day code, 2001 for the year of this little pouch. I love it. And so also on the website that I had, I'm going to show you. I also have little chain that you can attach to this type of bags, for example, up completely. You can buy it on my website. It's the chain 110 centimeters. This is a longer one that gives you the chance to wear this bag as a crossbody bag. So you have the opportunity with this chain, if you buy it, to wear it as a little like crossbody bag. So this is actually perfect. And everything is on my website if you want to have a look. It's in menu bag organizer. I need to change the name of the collection, but it's in bag organizer and you have the chains. You have this side that is like the longest one and you have like 40 centimeters, which is approximately the size of this one. The price for this beautiful baby is 590 euro. Have a look because it's amazing. Next, we have a Dior with the dust bag. And this one is amazing. This is the Diorissimo bag from Dior in black. We have a grained leather that is insanely beautiful. We do have a strap for this and that is like adjustable also. It enables you to wear the bag like here or even crossbody if you want to. This is a bag that is big enough to have a computer inside, a laptop, so it's good. You can remove the strap if you prefer. Condition is exceptional on this one, like amazing. You can see what you use a little bit with the little fits under, but otherwise very good. You have button pressure on the side to open a little bit more the bag. It's very good. For opening the bag, you do have pressure button. Inside of the bag is kind of fuchsia violet. Very cool. You do also have an inside pocket that you can detach. Very cute. Inside is in such a good condition. This is insane. You have no stain. You have 2 pockets. And I also have an entreprise certificate for this one and the little card. This bag was bought at the French Riviera in Cannes store with a little card. So it's a beautiful one. Price is 1,390 euro. Another little item with box and little dust bag. This one was already used a little bit. So we had the Click H bracelets. Beautiful. I love it in red and silver palladium hardware. I'm gonna open it to show it to you. When up. So this one has little scratches. It was used a little bit, otherwise it's very good. This is a PM size and I love it. This is a beautiful one. To open it, you need to press here and then up, move and open. You need to press a little bit for the click and then you close. This one is 399 euro. Then here it is. This is a bag, limited edition from Louis Vuitton. As you can see, I do have this bag. This bag is new. My client never used it. We have here the Louis Vuitton Carry It On. I love it. Tote. Very gorgeous bag that you can wear here on the shoulder. As you can see, the bag is brand new, almost like never used. We can see it by the color of the vachetta leather. I love this bag. This is a beautiful one. It's new. You have possibility to have the zipper, like to close the bag with the zipper. You can definitely enter a computer inside. So you have a very large tote. You have 2 pockets here and there. And we also have like a zipper pocket. This is good. You have a little attach if you want to put like a little pouch if you prefer. But this is a very good tote. Brand new, I would say. I think I have a copy of the invoice. I need to double check, but I think I do have it. It was bought in store in Lyon, and I do have the entreprise certificate. And the price for this brand new bag is 1,849 euro. This is a very limited edition. Okay, I'm just adding 2 items, 2 bags in this selection, in this drop. I have this beautiful Speedy size 35 in damier ébène. This is a classic one. You have the padlock. I do not have the keys for this one. I do in the overhand have the invoice of origin. That is a bag that was bought in 2013 in Courchevel. This is in the French Alps. This is a very good bag. The only thing about this bag is that you have the initials just here on the bag. This is not a lot. This is not like super thin. It's MB. What else can I show you for this bag? The inside of the bag is actually quite good. You have few little stains, but otherwise this is a very, very good one. Corners are a little bit rough, but almost nothing. And this is a bag that I sell 1,068 euro. This is actually a very good price. Okay, another bag that I want to present to you is Fendi Zucca bag beige. I usually don't get a lot of Fendi bags, so I'm quite happy about this one. This is the first time I had this one in light beige. This is a very, very good condition one, as you can see. The fabric on the outside is in great condition, I have to say. You have no stain on this bag. This is what I love about it. You have a gold hardware and leather here. I'm trying to show you properly. And on the inside, I'm going to show you. On the inside, you have 1 large pocket, 1 zipper pocket here, another one here. So this is a large one. You have multiple pockets. Inside is perfect. Hardware is just a little bit used. The price for this is insane. It's 539 euro. Okay, now a more classical bag, and you all know this beautiful baby. Oh, this is the Pochette Metis from Louis Vuitton. Monogram canvas, very classical bag. You have the strap that is adjustable. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Voila. Very cute. What do you think about this bag, by the way? What's your favorite one so far in this selection? So condition, I would say, is very good. You have a little leather tint here. It was used a little bit. This is natural color of the leather. With time, you have also here little scratches on the hardware, obviously, because it was used a little bit. Corners are very good. I'm super happy. You also have a zipper pocket, back pocket. Very good. Amazing condition. Let's open it together now. So when you open it, you have various pockets, like one here, and one on behind. Inside is amazing condition, like really, really, really good. This is a very good handbag. It's a first handbag, this is the one, like very good. And because the bag is very shaped, it has a very good and easy shape. It's very easy to wear it. Price for this one is 1,630 euro, guys. This is a very nice handbag if you want to wear it here, or you can wear it like crossbody or on the shoulder. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. You can go on the website margavaluxpro.com. I ship everything worldwide. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me here on YouTube or on Instagram or on my website. Anything that you need, I'll try to answer like as fast as I can and as best as I can also. Thank you so much for being around. Thank you for your support as well, and I'll see you very soon. Bisous, bye bye.